friends.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the lovely neighborhood of Waskasoo, located in the heart of Red Deer, Alberta. This area is named after the Waskasoo Creek, which meanders through the community, providing beautiful green spaces and scenic walking trails for residents to enjoy. Waskasoo is known for its family-friendly atmosphere, with plenty of parks, playgrounds, and recreational facilities that make it a perfect place for families to live and grow. The neighborhood is well connected, with easy access to schools, shopping centers, and other essential amenities, ensuring that everything you need is just a short distance away. With its peaceful environment and strong sense of community, Waskasoo offers a wonderful blend of urban convenience and natural beauty. Thanks for watching!